Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today, somebody has a birthday. Can you guess whose birthday it is? Because it's not mine. It's Vienna's birthday. She turns 11 today. So today I'm going to be making her a cake and throwing her a little pate. Do you want to know what this is all about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So today, this little girl turned 11. How old are you? Are you 11? She's like, don't even remind me. Huh. They don't even remind me. I did buy her a few little kits. Like, I got her a little kit that you can make your own cake. So if you would like to see that, I will put it together and show you how she likes it. It actually came with a silicone mold, which her cake is cooling right now. We just made it. It did have this little cake mix, which is absolutely adorable. It is made for dogs. They had different flavors. I will link everything down below if you're interested in making one for your pup. This one I did get was peanut butter, and then I'm going to put a little bit of fresh banana on top because she loves banana. But they do have other flavors. They have carrot, they have banana, they have pumpkin, red velvet. So again, I will link that down below. And they also come with the red or the blue silicone dog-shaped bone mold to cook it in. And it comes with 24 candles. She only needs 11, but there was 24. And then I bought her a little, it was a cupcake toy, and that's Zippy Paws. I will link that below too if you would like to check that out. I just thought it was a really cute one just for her birthday. Last year she got a little cake slice that was all like a white cake frosting. So this time I thought the cupcake would be a little appropriate because I'm making her own cake. But that is this brand right here. And again, I will link that down below if you would like to see where I got that. And then the last thing I got, they do have a girl set and a boy set. So there's pink and blue. I will link that down below if you would like to grab one for yourself. But it was a whole little kit that comes with like little balloons and little thing that you put happy birthday. So I put that together and I put it on a wall so I can decorate to make her a little cute. Hopefully it's going to be a cute picture. I don't know. We're going to find out if it's going to be a cute picture or not. It even came with like a little tutu, and it came with this little hat, and she's not feeling it. Watch. Here. Can we show them what you look like with your little party hat on? Because you say it's your birthday. Happy birthday. See, she's mad. Are you mad? What's the matter? What's the matter? It's not tight. But you look so cute. Show your fans how cute you are with your little party hat on. She's like, bitch, get this shit off me. Aww. Aww. But you look so cute. Doesn't she look cute? Aww. Okay, you guys, so if you want to see how we put together her cake, it was super simple. Super simple ingredients, everything I already had here. So if you want to see us putting together her cake and all of that, then here you go. This cake comes complete with the candles, the cake mix, and the baking dish. For the cake mix, it is peanut butter flavored, wheat-free, all natural. You can bake in the oven or in the microwave. Puppy cake is a quick and easy way to make a cake for your dog, coming complete with yogurt icing, and the silicone baking dish can go up to 450 degrees. Okay, so let's go ahead and start making the cake. I already got my ingredients out. I've already washed the silicone tray, the baking tray. So let's go ahead and get to making. Down in here will be the actual mix, and then this should be for the icing. Yep, that's for the icing, so I'll set that aside. And goes the peanut butter cake mix, 2/3 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 1 egg. It just says to blend until smooth. I would consider that smooth. And then it says to coat the liner with non-stick cooking spray. So let me go ahead and do that really quick. Okay, now we pour it in. So it says to bake for 20 to 24 minutes. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get the icing going so we can finish this cake. Ooh, that came out very easy. All in one piece. In a small bowl, whip 2 tablespoons of water with the icing mix until smooth. That would be like a good spreading consistency, but I kind of wanted to do a little drizzle, so I'm gonna add a little bit more water. So there we go. Spoil little girl. So here is an up close look of the toy that I mentioned that I had purchased for her, and this is exactly how it came. Now this is all of the different items that come in the decorations kit. So I'm going to go through the entire kit and show you everything that comes inside and what is included. So here's the tutu that she was not very fond of. And this hat actually has a long elastic cord. I shortened it to her little noggin, and I'm going to go ahead and cut the excess off here so it's just fit to her, but at least it does have a long cord so it can go for a lot of different size dogs' heads. You can adjust it. There's actually 6 different pieces for this decoration, and there are 6 little tabs here. You use that in the very dead center. There's a little hole you can stick it through so you can kind of hang it just like that. Here are the cards to make the 2 banners. One would say happy, one that says birthday. There's 2 dog prints that go in the front and the back of both words. There is the string and a plastic needle. You just take the needle and whip it through and use that to hang it, and I'll show you in just a minute. Here's all of the different balloons that was also included. So right here is where I'm showing you that I just weed it in and out with the needle so you can get it to hang. You can put as many spacings as you would like in between, depending on how wide or short you would like it to lay on whatever you're gonna put it on. Okay, so that's kind of how I decorated just that area so I can get a cute little picture. Yep, she's right there. And yeah, so that's how I decorated it. Okay, you guys, this is the final little project here. Vienna, do you like your little tutu? You smelling your cake? You want to eat it? Oh, you want to eat your cake? You look so cute. Happy birthday, baby. Okay, come here. Come get your cake. She's like, I don't know what to do with this whole thing. Look, eat it. There. Take a banana. I know. That's a banana. You like bananas. She can make a mess. I'll mop everything up afterwards. She wants the icing. There's plenty more on your cake, ma'am. Here, you want your banana? Oh. Here, you want some more of your cake? She just likes the icing. Oh wait, you gonna eat the cake now? Here, try your cake. Take a bite. You don't take the whole thing. Okay, or take the whole thing. You normally love banana. Here, go ahead, dig in. That's all yours. She's just trying to eat the icing off of it. The icing must be pretty good. You really surprised me on the banana, though. Are you good? Is that enough of a little snack for you now? No? Is that good? I'm gonna take the tutu off you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, go get your toy. No brat. Is that your cupcake? All right, you guys. So that is everything that we have to show for her little birthday party. Again, I've never made her own cake before. I've always bought like the little cakes, little pieces that are like a dog treat, and they're always so hard, and she doesn't like even eat it. So I thought it'd be better to make a fresh cake because then it would be nice and soft and fresh and hopefully yummy. Huh, she hopefully is gonna be yummy. Yeah, she's mad at me now. Wait until you get your damn tutu on. Then you're really gonna be loving it. She's like, no. So then we can have, yeah, she can play with her little toy and everything. So I know Vienna has her own little fans that love to see her. So I just had to do a little happy birthday to Vienna. So hopefully I can get this edited and up today while today is her birthday. Today's Wednesday. So yeah, so happy 11th birthday to my sweet little adorable Vienna. Yeah, you're my baby. You're my baby. All right, you guys, so that is everything that we have to show for this particular video. And yeah, so happy birthday to my little chunky monkey. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of that little items that I did for her? What do you think of with the little potty hat? Doesn't she look cute? She's not having it, but she looks cute. So that is everything. Again, you guys, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and we greatly do appreciate it. So yeah, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew and Vienna.